amazing session on top interview problems by LeetCode. So LeetCode, you can find this section in the LeetCode that says top interview problems, and there are total 150 problems, and we'll try to attend 3 4 problems every day. Okay. Now let's begin with the first one. Okay, so few problems I've already solved, but yeah, for the purpose, I'll show the solution. Okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, so we have, I'll just reset it. Okay, so the solution says you have two arrays, nums1 and nums2, and you need to merge them in non-decreasing order, and the nums1 has the capacity to accommodate the second one also. So you don't have to actually returns some other array. Instead, you have to do the modification in the given array itself. Okay, so the very simple approach, what we'll do, we'll take an array first. Okay, let's suppose we are taking array of size m plus n. So it is given the size of the first array and the second array. Then we'll take three variables: I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, and k is equal to 0. Now, while iterating the loops, while I less than m and j less than n, so what we'll do, we'll just compare and add the elements to the given array. At the end, what we'll do, we'll transfer elements from the given array to this nums1 array. Okay. So while I less than m, j less than n. Okay. Now let's do the comparison. If nums1 of I is less than or equal to nums2 of j, what we have to do, we have to assign array of k plus plus. So we are just incrementing the index of the array using k here itself, doing the post increment, and then we assign, since nums1 is the lesser element, so we'll assign it to the given array. We did this. Here also we can do the post increment here itself in this line only. And if this is not the case, we'll assign another element, nums to carry to it, nums2 of j plus plus. Okay, so the first thing is done. Second, you have to, there might be instances where nums1 element, there are more elements in the nums1 and nums2 already ended, so obviously it will come out of the loop. But here we need to check the conditions for remaining elements also. So while I less than n, we'll do the same thing. Array of k plus plus is equal to what, nums1 of I plus plus. Okay, similar things we need to do for the second array also. While j is less than, sorry, so this we are taking m for the nums1, so this would be m not n. Similarly here, while j is less than n, we'll do the same thing. Array of k plus plus is equal to what, nums1 of I plus sorry, j plus plus, and it will not nums1 to be nums2. Okay, so this way we are able to get all the required elements in non-decreasing order in the array. Now what we have to do, we have to transfer the elements from the array to the nums1. Okay, let's quickly write a loop for int index is equal to what, 0, index less than. array dot length and index plus plus. What will do nums one of index is equal to what array of index. Okay, so this way we are copying the elements, but it will copy all the elements, and what we have to do, uh, let's see what it shows. Are we good or are we missing something? So I think we are missing one condition. Okay, yeah, since okay it's handling the last position, I thought there will be elements, but since it says the nums one has the zero at the last indexes, so you don't have to worry about it. You just have to write a logic to accommodate this one in the given array. So that should be okay, I think. Okay, we are able to submit this one. So that's our first problem for the day. Now let's get back to the second problem. Second problem is the remove element. Okay, now let me open this problem. So similarly, we'll do reset. I've just solved this problem many times, but yeah, we'll see here. So you have to do the remove all the occurrences of the val in the nums in place. Okay, means relative ordering will not change. Relative ordering of the elements will remain same. Okay, what they are doing actually. Okay, this way you have to remove the elements actually. Right, let's try to do the logic. So let's take index first. Now what we can do, so we can loop through for int I is equal to 0 I less than nums dot length I plus plus. So if nums, it's a simple, will do if nums of I not equal to val, then only we'll add the elements to our array. Our array means the given array itself. We are considering this one only. We do index plus plus post increment of here only, so that it is incremented here. Now nums of index plus plus um, mm, is equal to what? Nums of I, right? And the end, what we have to do, we have to return the index, I think. So what they are expecting, okay, you return the index itself. The first thing it will manage. Oh, sorry, I missed the semicolon. My bad. Okay, so sample test cases are passed. Now submit it. Yeah, this is also done. So we are able to solve this one as well. So this was the second problem. Now let's move to the third problem. So third one, remove duplicates from the sorted array. I'll just restate since I have solved this problem. Okay. All right. So remove duplicates in the sorted array. Okay, this was the easy one. We can use a hash set. Okay, not hash set actually, a tree set, because we want the elements ordering also, right? So hash set does not have the ordering. It can provide you the random elements. Okay, but it will have the unique elements. Similarly, we have tree set, which will have the correct ordering of the elements, and it will also have the properties can only store the unique elements. Okay, so let's declare first tree set of what type, of integer type. tr new tree set. Okay, now simply just start looping the elements, and I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. So what you'll do, we'll try to add the elements to the tree set, okay, and it will for sure it will have the unique elements. All right, now tr dot add what nums of I. This way we have added the elements to it. Now we ask it something interesting. So it says, yeah, after removing the duplicates, your method should return uh, the numbers of elements left. Okay, this logic you have to echo. Hi everyone, so let's start solving this third problem today. I've solved this problem many times, and what it says, you have to remove the duplicates. So we can use a data structure that is set, but if you directly use set, since set does has set, if you are using hash set, so the elements ordering will not be maintained there. So in order to maintain the ordering of the elements, we'll use tree set. So it's another set based data structure which stores the elements in an ordered way. Integer ts is equal to new reset. Okay, we have the tree set. Now we'll loop through the elements. I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Add elements to the tree set. Okay, we have added elements to the tree set. Now it says key you have to update the nums itself, okay, and return the number of elements after the return the index of the last element after removing the duplicates. So we'll take integer id x is equal to 0 in order to look for the index. Now we'll use smart loop or for each loop to access the set elements. So now ts has the unique element. Now we'll assign this to the nums array. So nums array will be updated. Then only your test cases will pass actually. So id x plus plus is equal to what? I. We'll just assign I, and you have to return the id x from here. That is index, last index. So now run this problem. So these are actually easy level problems, not much effort needed. You just need to understand the smaller logics. Yeah, we are able to run this problem. So this was the third problem for the day. We'll see you on day two. We'll take another three problems and explaining more in a better way. Thank you so much.